In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a poster, or a social media post, getting the right orientation can make all the difference. Let's dive right into it and make this process as simple as possible. To start off, once you've logged into Canva and opened the design you want to tweak, your first step is to locate the Resize button. You'll typically find this at the top of your Canva dashboard. This is essentially your launchpad for adjusting the dimensions of your document and ultimately changing its orientation to suit your project's needs. When you click on Resize, you'll be presented with a range of options. After you select Resize, you'll see two primary choices. First, you can select from the suggested size options provided by Canva. This feature is particularly handy if you're looking for a quick adjustment to a common format, like shifting your design from a standard A4 to perhaps a more social media-friendly size. These suggestions are based on popular dimensions, which means choosing one of these can really save you time and ensures your design is optimized for its intended use. But what if the suggested sizes don't exactly fit your needs? Don't worry, Canva has got you covered. It offers a custom size option, which is perfect for those unique projects where you might have specific requirements, or if you're trying to match an unusual frame size or display dimension. By clicking on the custom size option, a couple of fields will appear where you can input the exact dimensions you want. This flexibility allows you to get precisely what you need. In the custom size option, you'll notice two fields, one for width and one for height. Here, you can type in the exact measurements you're looking for. It's important to remember that altering these values will directly impact the orientation of your document. For example, if you want a landscape orientation, make sure that your width is greater than your height. Conversely, if you prefer a portrait orientation, your height should be greater than your width. Paying close attention to these details will ensure that your final design looks just the way you want it. Once you've settled on the dimensions, whether they're from the suggested sizes or a custom size you've determined, it's time to finalize these changes. To do this, simply click on the Resize this design button. This action confirms your choices, and just like that, your design will shift to the new dimensions and orientation you specified. Do keep in mind that resizing can sometimes affect the layout of your design elements. You might need to make some small adjustments afterward, like repositioning text or images, to maintain the overall look you're aiming for. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through changing the page orientation in Canva with ease and clarity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in your Canva skills now.